Imagine boarding a private jet and finding a full nightclub waiting for you. Yes, some ultra-luxury jets come with exclusive dance floors, DJ booths, and state-of-the-art lighting, just for the elite. These flying nightclubs can cost over $100 million, pushing the limits of what's possible in the sky. Only a handful exist worldwide, making them one of the rarest ways to party above the clouds. Would you throw a party at 40,000 feet? Comment your dream party location, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping luxury facts.